library patrons, on September the 8th, we're switching both library locations to barcode checkout. This means two things for you. First, you can now use our mobile app to check out books. I can show you how to do that here. And secondly, our self-checkout kiosks are going to work a little differently. The library app is available on both the App Store and Google Play, and you can find it by searching Jeffersonville Township Public Library and downloading the one with our icon. Once you sign into the app using your barcode and password, you can tap here for checkout. Follow the instructions to scan your book's barcode, then tap checkouts to make sure it's scanned properly. If the book is entered here, then you're ready to go. You can tap to email yourself a receipt. For our self-check kiosks, the biggest change will be that you can no longer just set your books on the glass to check them out. Once you've scanned your library card, you'll find the barcode on the book, generally in the back of the book for hardbacks, and you will place it under the red laser to check the book out. For other items, like paperbacks and DVDs, the barcodes are usually on the front. You can also double check our barcodes all start with the numbers 31861, and you will just scan those under the laser and check your book out. And when you are done, you click the Done button and get your receipt. All of these changes will begin on September 8th. We'll place reminders on the self-check kiosks and around the library. You can always go to the circulation desk and have a librarian or library clerk check your books out for you, or if you would like to learn, they are more than willing to help.